Hey Toolinos, my parents recently moved out to be closer to my family, and my father asked for a vise to put in his basement workshop room. So I thought, yeah, I could spare a vise. And I found this one in my hoard. I don't even remember where I picked it up, and I don't remember if it ever made it in a tool haul video. So I don't have any before footage because I just started working on it one night when I had the opportunity, and I did not have the camera. But it's getting all cleaned up, and I'm making some improvements. There was a lot of slack in the screw, so I'm going to add a washer in there to take up some of that. But then also in the moving jaw, there was also a lot of slop there where the handle rod goes through. So I'm going to add a piece of copper pipe to take up the extra slack in there. This I haven't really started cleaning yet, so you can see it's just kind of a dirty, rusty mess. And so I'm finished cleaning that up, put it back together, and present it to my father for his workshop. Alright, so it's all cleaned up and ready for reassembly. The moving jaw is ready to go. The 3.5 inches painted. It's Dunlap number 506-51770. And on the swivel base it says number 63-3. Alright, reassembly is coming along nicely. Swivel base is on, but I wanted to show how sloppy this is without adding the copper pipe. So now I'll put it in and you'll see the difference. Alright, with the copper sleeve in there, now you can see it has a little tiny bit of wiggle, but much less. So that should make a substantial improvement. Alright, reassembly is complete. You can see the handle makes it go back and forth immediately with no slop now, and there's no substantial wiggle of the shaft in the movable jaw. There's still wiggle of the movable jaw in the base. I did discover one less than ideal thing in the bottom. Hang on. So once I have it reassembled and I'm trying to use the swivel feature, I'm realizing it only swivels so far. You can kind of get it all the way to that end, but you cannot go past that point. And if I look carefully here, you can see the casting has some material still in the groove there, and it does not go past it. So I'm going to take this back off and file that out, give it a little more clearance, and make it swivel all the way around. So either this vise never saw a whole lot of use, or it certainly never swiveled all the way, because I had to file away quite a bit of material there from the casting. So it should work now. And the swivel works, huzzah, all the way around, back and forth. Alright, let's wrap this up. Alright, the 3.5 inch Dunlap vise is finished. I know it's not like a fancy restoration where I repainted everything, but it's going into service. And I'm sure it will serve my father for as long as he needs it to. So, there you go, Dad. Use it in good health.